Welcome back to our science online class. So dear students, I am very happy that you are doing your homework regularly, and I got your response on my WhatsApp number, so it's give me a great pleasure. So dear students, after this concept, let us extend the part of the crop production and the management. Already we have defined the what is crop. Crop is nothing but when the same kind of the plants grows at one place, okay, grows at one place, then it is called as a crop. So what are the examples of the crop? You can take a grain, rice and wheat, peas, grams, dal. So here lots of examples are there about the crops. So what are the usually two types of the crops? That first one is the kharif crop and second one is the rabi crop. Kharif crop which sows in the month of July to September, that is the kharif crop. And what are the rabi crop? Rabi crop which sows in the month of October to February. So students have found the answer, and it very good to see here, that is students are following our videos. So dear students, now let's discuss the agriculture practices. So the next concept is the agriculture practices. What is the need of agriculture practices? So for getting the good yield of the crop, we have to follow some steps. Otherwise what happen? Our crop will be going to destroy, and later on we will not get a proper amount of the yield what we have been expected when we are starting the crop production. So dear students, what are those agriculture practices? Let's discuss one by one. So first take a total 7 to 8 steps are there. Let's discuss here. That is the agriculture practices. In the agriculture practices, the first agriculture practice is preparation of soil, next is the sowing, third one is the adding manure and fertilizers, okay, third one is the adding manure and fertilizers. Fourth one is none other than irrigation. Why irrigation is important? Because after these 3 steps, the next part is the irrigation, means we have to be supply the water, we have to be add water, okay. So next is the irrigation. Fifth one is removing the weeds. And sixth one is after removing the weeds, we have to be protecting the weeds. Protecting, or you can same sentence removing the weeds. So you can write as a protecting the weeds, okay. Once again I am writing here protecting from the weeds. Protecting or removing the weeds also, it is correct, no problem, but I am writing here protecting from the weeds. Protecting from the weeds. And sixth one, that is after prepared your crop, we have to be harvested. That is the harvesting. And last one, seventh, that is the storage of the crop, okay. So here let us discuss one by one. For just I am giving here brief introduction these steps. So preparation of the soil means for getting the good yield, you have to be prepare the soil. So how we are going to prepare the soil, afterwards we will discuss. Then later on preparation of the after the first steps, next is the sowing. Sowing means you have to be collect a good seeds for get a good amount of the yield. So you have to be need here good seeds. Good seeds. For getting a proper amount of yield, we need here good seeds. Then next you have to be add here manure and the fertilizers. So dear students, what is the need of adding manure and fertilizers? Because plants need more amount of nitrogen, phosphorus. So in this way what happen? Well, manure and the fertilizers means, manure means organic substances like a waste vegetables or a waste material from the living things, or the fertilizer, it is the inorganic fertilizers. Okay, so later on we will discuss. And last is the irrigation. After adding manure and the fertilizer, we have to be irrigate the land, means where we are preparing our crop. So irrigation is the next step. Next is the protecting from the weeds. So weeds means it is the unwanted plants. Weeds is nothing but the unwanted plants which comes with the crop. So we have to be protecting our plant or crop from the weeds, because what happened, they are going to fight with each other to get a proper amount of the nutrition and the sunlight. So that's why we have to be protecting from the weeds to our crop. Then is the harvesting. Harvesting means we have to cut the plant without any harm to the crop. Okay, next is after completing the 6th step, we have to go for the 7th step, that is the storage. Storage means in a large amount of crop, after getting the large amount of the crop, we have to be protected. So what happened, to get a large number of a population to this crop, we have to be prepare or stored in a correct manner from the environment. Otherwise what happened, our crop will be going to be destroyed. So these are the 7 steps. Let us discuss one by one. So first one we will discuss here, that is the preparation of the soil. So here when we are preparing the first step, what is the need of preparation of the soil? So let's discuss here the importance. Here we are doing the loosening and tightening of the soil. What do you mean by the loosening and the tightening of the soil? Means the tiling and loosening of the soil. So dear students, as you know that our soil is containing nutrients, minerals. With this, our soil is containing another decay animals also, what they have decomposed by the microorganism. So this minerals also will going to be absorbed by the soil, as well as soil is also containing little amount of water also. Okay, little amount of water which can be absorbed by the rain. Okay, little amount of water. So dear students, what is the use of this tiling and the loosening of the soil? So just imagine this thing, this is your land. Okay, so here this is our soil. So this is the upper layer of the soil. This is the upper layer of the soil. Upper layer of the soil. So when you are going to sow it, the crop, then the root will going to be reach only the few centimeter. So it will not going to get a proper amount of the nutrition which is present in soil. So in this way what happened, the crop will not get a proper amount of the nutrition, because the upper layer of the soil only can absorb the nutrition from the soil. So in this way what happened, the down soil which is existing in the down part of the earth, we have to be cover it, and you have to be after plowing processes, what happened, we have to be take out the below part of the soil to the upper part of the soil. So you have to be carry out this soil to upper part of the soil. So in this way what happened, this soil, this is also soil, this is also soil, but this is the upper layer of the soil where regularly doing the crop production, it may get a lose their nutrition and the minerals. Then what happened, what we have to do, we have to take out and carry out the down layer of the soil to the upper side of the soil. So this is the main purpose of the preparation of the soil, means we have to prepare the soil to get a proper amount of the nutrition and the minerals which is present in the soil. Is it? So what, this is the main concept why we are doing the tiling and loosening of the soil. So how we can do that loosening and tiling of the soil? By the plowing process. Okay, so what is the plowing process here? The tiling and loosening of the soil can be done by the plowing process. The loosening and tiling of the process, the loosening and tiling of the process can be done by plowing process. Can be done by plowing process. Okay dear students, so how this plowing process can be done? By the help of plow and hoe and cultivator. Okay, this also known as the agriculture implements. So what are the, if the question can be asked, what are the agriculture implements, then you have to be answered this plow, hoe and the cultivator. So here dear students, this plow is helping for plowing process. So how we can do the preparation of the soil? By loosening and tiling of the soil. The loosening and tiling of the soil. So it is the process which can be done by the plowing process. Okay, the loosening and tiling of the soil, this is the process. This is the process can be done by the plowing process. So how we can do the plowing process? That is plow, hoe and the cultivator. This is also known as the agriculture implements. Okay dear students, I hope there is no confusion about the preparation of the soil. Okay, now discuss the plow. So usually this plow, it is usually made up of the wooden plank. This is usually made up of wooden plank. Here we are going to tie the animals like buffalo, horse. Okay, so here we are going in the beam part, Here this is the plough shaft. This is the plough shaft. So here by using this is made up of iron and this is made up of wood. Okay, so what happened, by the helping of this plough we can do the ploughing process, means loosening and tiling of the process we can done by this plough, as well as the next is the hoe. Hoe is this is also made up of the iron itself and this is the wooden. This is the wooden part and this is the iron which is very sharp. So for removing the extra, means removing the weeds, also we can use this hoe. And last one is the cultivator. This is also used, can be preparation for the soil. So dear students, totally what are the three elements? That is the first one is the plough, second one is the hoe, this is the hoe, H-O-E, okay, hoe, and last one is the cultivator which can be generate or which can be driven by the man. Here what happens, when you are going for the cultivator, it saves the labor charges plus it saves the energy, where while using the plough and the hoe we need more number of labor as well as we need more energy for preparing the soil. So dear students, today we have discussed the agriculture steps in a brief manner. First steps we have discussed here, that is the preparation of the soil, how we can prepare the soil by plough, hoe and the cultivator. So dear students, what is today's homework? Just take down your homework. First one is the, what are the agriculture practices? What are the agriculture steps? So here dear students, don't go for the brief, don't go for the explanation, just you have to write the steps, okay, what are the agriculture steps. And second question is importance of preparation for the importance of preparation of the soil. So here totally two questions you have to be answered. First one is the what are the agriculture steps, and next is the importance of preparation of the soils. Two questions you have to write. Here don't go for the explanation, only we need steps. So dear students, I hope there is no confusion about today's class. If you have any confusion, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Just stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.